All right, pause for a second. If you're seeing this video before December 24th, then a major shift just happened in your favor, and no, this is not hype. This isn't a video that the algorithm hands out freely. Most people will just swipe right past this. But the right people, that means you, want change in their lives. And there's a major shift happening and a trend that's about to explode across the internet that's going to put tons and tons of residual income into people's pockets. And listen, folks, all wealth is made in trends, the beginning of trends. It's not about your education. It's not about whether you're technical savvy. It's not about having a PhD. It's not about putting in more hours. If we all put in more hours, what do you get paid? 20 to 25 bucks an hour. No, all wealthy people recognize trends early, and this trend is going to be massive. Just as one example, let me tell you one story. I have a friend of mine who bought Bitcoin at $1, like in 2011 or 12. He begged me to buy some. I'm like, I'm not wasting my money on that. Well, guess what? That gentleman is now worth over $300 million, and he lives in a 20,000 square foot home. This next trend, you don't have to have any experience at all, and it can be bigger than Bitcoin. It's called digital insurance. And let's face it, folks, everything today is going digital, and it's just the beginning of this trend. It's not even $1 billion per year industry, and experts believe it's going to go to over $1 trillion. Why? Guys, there's no more fax machines. There's no more paper contracts. Everything's signed online. Everything's digital. Everything's the internet, right? So if you want involved in this massive trend, and I mean massive, at the very beginning, right now, what I want you to do is just comment below the word trend. That way I know you're interested in working together on this massive trend. And look, if you post below the word trend, then I know you're interested. If you don't post below, that means it's not for you, and that's okay. I won't reach out to you. But if you do post, then I'll reach out to you, and I'd be happy to work with you. Then save this video and follow this profile, because there's other key videos that are going to be coming out that's going to explode this opportunity in early January. Okay, so save this video, follow this profile. Now, if you want instant access to find out more, no, I don't want your credit card. This is completely free. Click on the link in my bio. Go to that video, watch it, and then opt in with your name and email address. Then you're going to get a hidden video on digital insurance that's literally going to take the internet by storm. So go watch those videos now. I know you're going to be so excited. You're not going to be able to sleep tonight. And I look forward to making 2026 the best year you've ever had yet. So let's work together and let's crush it.